reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Yamaha FJR1300ES. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of sport touring motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Yamaha FJR1300ES. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Yamaha FJR1300ES is a powerful and comfortable sport touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,298 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising and spirited riding. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The FJR1300ES engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Advanced electronics. Features like traction control, ABS, and electronic cruise control enhance safety and convenience. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Spacious storage. Ample storage space in the saddlebags and top case for long journeys. Sporty handling. The FJR1300ES offers agile handling and responsive steering for a dynamic riding experience. Design and aesthetics. The FJR1300ES has a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a modern and sporty look. Its sharp lines and bold styling give it a distinctive appearance. Target audience and relevance. The FJR1300ES is ideal for riders who are looking for a high-performance sport touring motorcycle that can handle long-distance travel with ease. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and comfortable ergonomics make it a top choice for those who want to explore new horizons. Expert reviews. The FJR1300ES has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The FJR1300ES is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium sport touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other sport touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular sport touring motorcycles, the Yamaha FJR1300ES stands out for its combination of performance and comfort. Its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and comfortable ergonomics make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Yamaha FJR1300ES is a well-rounded sport touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a powerful and comfortable sport touring motorcycle, the FJR1300ES is definitely worth considering.